Welcome students. Let's learn electric generator. Two types of electric generators are there, AC generator and DC generator. Let's learn AC generator. A device converting mechanical energy into electrical energy in the form of alternating current is called AC generator. AC generators are used to power small electric motors, those used in juicers, vacuum cleaners and food mixers. Let's learn principle, construction and working of generator. Principle: when the coil of electric generator rotates in a magnetic field induces a current in this coil. This current then flows into circuit connected to the coil. Now the construction. Coil ABCD is kept between two pole pieces of a magnet. Two ends of the coil are connected to the two rings R1 and R2 through carbon brushes B1 and B2. Both the rings are fixed to the axle and there is a resistive coating in between the ring and the axle. The axle is rotated with the help of machine from outside. When axle rotates, the coil ABCD starts rotating. The brushes B1 and B2 are stationary and they are connected to the galvanometer. Galvanometer is used to show the direction of current. When axle rotates, the branch AB goes up and the branch CD goes down, so the coil rotates in clockwise direction. Now, according to Fleming's right-hand rule, electric current is induced in the branches AB and CD, and the direction of the current is from A to B and C to D. So the current flows in the circuit A, B, C, D. This is the direction of the current. In the external circuit, the current flows from brush B2 to brush B1 through the galvanometer. Okay. If we want to increase the magnitude of current, then we should increase the number of turns of the coil. Means when we increase the number of turns of the coil, then we can increase the magnitude of the current. Okay. Now after half rotation, the branch AB takes place of the branch CD and branch CD takes the position of branch AB. So the current induced in the coil goes in the direction D to C, C to B and B to A. Means D, C, B, A is the direction of the induced current. But the branch BA is always in contact with the brush B1 and branch DC in contact with brush B2. So in the external circuit, current flows from brush B1 to brush B2. Means it is opposite to the previous half rotation. And this repeats after every half rotation. So the alternating current is produced. So this is called as a AC generator.